Yeah. Alright.
It might not get Bateman.
Well, yeah, it'll be Patrick Bateman, so it'll be Patrick or Bateman. Yeah, it's a shame. But, no, I think it's really better than a monster or something with one name. Like Cthulhu or something.
Because all it does is if you can't make out a word, it just puts the sound you make and makes up the word.
Yeah.
Or the closest word to it, you know what I mean? So sometimes, like you said brothel, it came up with probable, it's like sort of similar syllables.
I wonder if it would struggle with things like stock and Kang or something like weird names. Shredder. Just find a picture of a shredder.
It will do actually.
Damn it.
It's really hard to think on the spot, isn't it?
That's why I say just have something to prompt people. Or like I've seen in like magazines sometimes they'll have something like, oh, come up with a random name, your random superhero name or something. It'll be like or like a random phrase, and it's got like three things that always fit together. Like my dog's eating your face, you know, they're three separate selections, but they always work. Something like that is something for people to put together to test to begin with.
I'm just looking at weird news. There you go, that's a weird news. Dead alien turns out to be stale bread.
You can say that. That's pretty good. Alright, I'll do that.
I'll say, let me get onto the... Right, you can say it.
Dead alien turns out to be stale bread. So they've got a Pegasus. Is this recording?
Oh, that was close. That was really close.
Flying.
Was it still in flying squirrel?
Yeah.
Give it a minute. It's good, it loads one thing and then it takes the time for it to do that across there and then which is kind of good because you'll be able to say it, get out and then watch your own story.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I mean, it doesn't work as great, but...
Oh shit, sorry, I didn't have an offer. And turns out to be got fresh bread.
Look at that, stereo.
Stereo bread. My voice did break a bit when I said stale as well.
Man proposes via crossword puzzle.
You should do that. Shall I say it? Or?
Yeah, go for it.
These are very strange stories. No, I just got reading the news, that's all. It's a weird picture.
Yeah. You can say whatever you want now.
Breaking news. Man proposes via crossword puzzle. That's a cool car into it.
I'm not sure if I got that. I guess
Yes.
it practiced before.
Got
Try again.
like an alien stereo car. Man proposes via crossword puzzle. Breaking news.
I get it.
Alien.
Just got a man poster.
Yeah, got Alien vs Predator.
Comes up with.
Yeah. Oh, that's awesome.
Have a try. Man proposes via crossword puzzle. Bread. Yeah, that's search for bread, that one.
Stereo bread. I want some stereo bread.
Stereo bread.
That's awesome.
I'd love for it to come up with a loaf of bread with speakers in it.
That would be awesome.
Oh, I haven't found a picture, has it?
Man proposes rather than via.
Yeah, that's going to just by this. Then when you skip it, sometimes it doesn't even do it. It's flawed, but good.
Pretty cool, man. I like the carrot man. I didn't expect that.
What the hell is that? Man proposes. It's bloody hot in these lights. Yeah, Kristen. Yeah. It doesn't matter as long as I've got a video. it working?
Just a photo of it.